got done with this open house. It was super busy. I'm sure that it was a mix of number one, buyers wanted to get back in the market, and that's how things usually are the second and third week of January. Also, because a lot of sellers decide to go on the market around this time, and also to add the fact that rates are going down. It was a super busy open house, had this beautiful traditional Pasadena home. So I'm now locking up, and we're going to continue this vlog. Checking in. It's now Friday, and this week has been all about prospecting, putting videos up on social media, and more prospecting. It's a bit boring, but honestly, when you're doing real estate the correct way, it's pretty boring. The more conversations you have about real estate, the closer you are to getting more deals. So I'm gonna show you guys here. I'm going on to I don't know, let me see if I can get it closer. An hour. I have one more hour to go and get my contacts in to finish up the week. This week I cold called for 10 hours. I door knocked for 3.5 hours, I want to say. And then we might get some work in tomorrow, probably record more content. And on Sunday we have an open house. So this is what real estate is all about. I honestly want to show as much as I can, especially the boring stuff, because honestly, that's what real estate is really about. Not about what these shows show sometimes. That is not real. It's a reality show. They're making you believe that real estate is very easy, that agents make a ton of money, but believe me, it's harder than what they make it seem. to pop in here and talk about some of the things that I do love. And also, too, the purpose why I really want to speak in front of camera is because I want to get better at this. I want to get better at public speaking. I want to get better at articulating in a more professional way to obviously going to affect my business, because I'm always talking in front of people, with sellers, with buyers. But I want to talk about something that I really love, because it's easier to talk about stuff that you actually really like. So here you guys have it. I was looking for some white denim. I decided to go with a Naked and Famous jean. I have a Naked and Famous Strong Guy that I think I might have put in one of the earlier videos, but they're a little bit too wide when it comes to the fit. I wanted something a little bit more traditional, more of a slimmer silhouette, but I decided to go with the True Guy, which is more of a straighter fit, kind of fits like a 501, but still with a higher saddle. I really love high-waisted trousers, so these kind of get up there. So I decided to go get them hemmed, and now I got them back, so I'm gonna try them on. Maybe you'll see it in some of the fits in the videos. Let me know what you guys think. These are 15-ounce jeans, and it's very white. I know it's going to be hard to keep them clean, but they look so cool, man. Continue on with the vlog. I am checking in. It's now Thursday. I am unsure when was the last time I picked up the camera, but we are standing here doing a quick walkthrough of our newest listing in Eagle Rock. This should be live by the time I upload this video. It's very exciting. We had the second walkthrough with the stager today, so a lot of things have been happening. This is actually a cold call, so all of the efforts don't go unnoticed. God be blessing your boy. We are out here working, but that's enough of a tease of this listing. I will have a full video in the next few coming days. We just got to the Rose Bowl on a walk with our 2-kid stroller, brand new, straight out the box. But my love, what would you say you love the most about living in the East Side? Because you lived in technically South Central all of your life.
I like it. It's not so busy, not so. There's more space. And there's a lot more nature, landscape, which I love and I enjoy with the kids.
Like this beautiful park that we're gonna go do a walk around.